the main square of Montecatini and the hub of the historical center. Surrounded by hotels, coffee bars, restaurants, and boutique shops, the piazza is the place for culture lovers to sit and enjoy a cappuccino while soaking up the vibes of true Italian life. In Piazza del Popolo, leaving the Guidotti fountain behind, the eye is immediately caught by the Hotel Plaza and Locanda Maggiore, a symbol of Montecatini Terme's gradual rise as a prestigious spa resort. It was built in 1787 at the request of the Cassinese monks. Giuseppe Verdi used to stay here, and it was at the Locanda that he worked on Otello and Falstaff. Take a stroll down Corso Roma and onto Piazza del Popolo, and you will find the streets lined with shops selling clothes, shoes, leather goods, accessories, cosmetics, jewelry, and much more. For those who have a passion for designer brands, Montecatini's Corso Giacomo Matteotti is the place to be. Begin your shopping adventure by exploring Gucci, and then stroll down the street to discover more renowned designer stores. Montecatini is a lively town in the evening, with locals and tourists bustling around. There are numerous restaurants, pizzerias, and gelato bars, as well as a wide variety of lounge bars, pubs, and nightclubs. You can enjoy an evening walk in the lively historical center, which has been a pedestrian zone for a few years now. Originally constructed in 1898, the funicular is a lovely tourist attraction providing spectacular panoramic views across Montecatini Terme. It is the best way to get from Montecatini Terme to the medieval village of Montecatini Alto. Montecatini Alto is a medieval town, located on top of a hill that dominates Montecatini Terme. Once you've arrived at the top, take a stroll around the town and enjoy the beautiful views. You can also treat yourself to a glass of wine, or a delicious meal at one of the many restaurants located there.